Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. How are you guys? Hope you are all on a master video based with and concussion to all. Hello viewers, I have brought a new video in this channel. This video 18 easy shortcut computer key everybody needs to know in 2022 and parts 2 and master video. I will explain the video in today how to do. Before starting the video, I would like to say that those who are the new to my channel, please subscribe the channel and like, comment, share on the fans. So your great motivation this video comment inshallah. So start the video without delay. Stay with me. So friends, 18 shortcut computer key. Then function number 1, F1, help. F1 means the help. Then keyboard F1 press the automatically help option. Is there any kinds of problem? This is your problem and solve it. Okay. Then function number 2, rename the file name. Then rename the file name. Then new Microsoft Word. Then F2 press the automatically rename the Microsoft. Then accept. Then okay. Function number 3, F3 search. F3 means the search option. Then automatically F3 press the automatically search option. Okay. Search option automatically the search content of the any kinds of software and any kinds of search option. Then function number 4, and Alt plus F4. Then Alt plus F4. Then desktop mode. Then refresh. Then Alt plus F4 automatically shut down. Then switches the sign out, sleep and shut down and reset. Automatically your computer shut down and automatically your computer reset, sleep, sign out, switches. Okay. This is the function number 4. Then function number 5, F5 refresh. F5 means the refresh. Then rename F5 on the refresh. Then automatically refresh. Then keyboard and mouse option, right button click, then refresh. Then keyboard key or automatic. Then the F5 refresh. Okay. Function number 5. Then function number 6, F6 highlight the address bar. Function 6 highlight the function bar. F6 highlight the function bar. Highlight the function bar. Highlight the function bar. Okay. Then function number 6. Then function number 7, check spelling. Then grammatical mistake. Then check spelling. Grammatical mistake. Then active. Then any kinds of then activated. Then the function name. Select. Then activated. Then grammatical mistake and app activate. Then check spelling. Okay. Function number 7. Then function number 8. F8 means the boot menu option. Then computer shut down or reset and automatically, and then quickly and keys up keyboard press the function F8, then boot menu option. Okay. Then function number 8. Then function number 9, remove select item. Remove the select item. Then rename the function number 9. Rename the function number name. Then function number 10, F10 shift plus F10 right click and activities menu bar MS Word. Then F10, then F automatically your, then sign it, then automatically your skin the hide up option, then face and option. Okay. Then function number 11, full scan. Function number 11, full scan means the any kinds of example. Then Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Then open. Then any new active file, open. Then delete. Then any. I like it video very much. Okay. This is the any kinds of comment. Then F10, F11 the full scan. F11 the full scan bar. Okay. Full scan bar. Then yes, then bar the and automatically and previous option. Then function number 11. Then function number F12. Then F12. Then F12 means the boot menu option. The any kinds of change the setting. Then F12 press. Then automatically save and yes the previous option. Then function number 13, Windows plus I option. Windows plus I option the basically the you total in laptop or desktop and setting option. Okay. Then function number 14, control plus F5. Control plus F5 automatically your super refresh. Automatically you super refresh. Automatically you super refresh. Okay, automatically control plus F5 automatically super refresh, then refresh 1, refresh F5, then refresh control plus F5. Okay, this is the automatically super. Function number 15, fn plus f2 rename, fn plus f2 rename, fn plus f2 rename the file name, fn plus f2 rename the file name. Okay, this is the f2 rename, then fn plus f2 rename. Then function number 16, windows plus control plus d, windows plus and add a virtual desktop, windows plus control plus d, automatically virtual laptop open, then any page, then any software apps command, then automatically is shown. Okay, then function number 17, windows plus control plus left arrow, windows plus control, then left arrow, then left arrow. Okay, this is the left arrow, function number 17, automatically and option. Then function number 18, windows plus control F to close the virtual desktop, then windows plus control plus F4 automatically virtual laptop, and automatically your all mission the remove the function, then close the virtual desktop. Okay, this is the option. So friends, no more today. Those are still subscribed to my channel, subscribe very quickly and bell icon button next it, and stay with us kinds of new video path inshallah. Allah Hafiz.